Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Reckless Love on the piano. First, let's focus on the foundational chords. You'll primarily use 4 main chords: C major, G major, a minor, and F major. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the fingerings for each of these. Once comfortable, practice transitioning smoothly from one chord to the next, ensuring a clean sound. This initial step is crucial for building a solid base for the entire song. Now, let's bring in your left hand. For an easy approach, your left hand will play single bass notes, specifically the root note of each chord. So, for a C major chord, play a C with your left hand. For G major, play a G, and so on. Focus on keeping a steady, simple rhythm, perhaps playing 1 note per beat or 2 notes per measure. This provides a strong, clear foundation for the melody. With your left hand providing the bass, your right hand will handle the melody or simple chord voicings. You can play the full 3-note chords in your right hand, or just the top 2 notes for a lighter feel. To make transitions even smoother, try using chord inversions. For example, instead of always playing C-E-G, you might play E-G-C or G-C-E. This keeps your hand position more consistent across the keyboard. Finally, it's time to put both hands together. Start very slowly, focusing on the coordination between your left-hand bass notes and your right-hand chords. A metronome is your best friend here. Begin at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and only increase the speed once you can play through the entire song without mistakes. Consistent, deliberate practice will help you master this beautiful song in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.